Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you take a quick note on Vim. Okay, and I have bounded some key because I'm running IT Window Manager to bring up a pop-up Vim buffer where you can put the notes in markdown language or in plain text, whatever the way you learn. The basic point is to bring up the pop-up window or buffer just to get a convenient way of taking something important and quickly. Okay, without further ado, let me show you how it will work. I have bounded a key combination to bring up that particular buffer, which in my machine bounded to mod, control and enter. Mod in my machine is alt. It can be different to your machine. Okay, so in my machine I'm pressing, say if I wanted to take some note, right, wherever I am in the system, I just press mod, control and enter. So now I have pressed it, but you won't see it because the moment you press that key, it will send the open buffer in the Scratchpad window. And the way by default in IT Window Manager, you need to get the Scratchpad in front of the application or wherever you are. You have that one specific key binded to that. You can easily change that. I haven't tried to change it, which is mod and minus. In my case, alt and minus. If I do like this, say it's been open in the background as a Scratchpad. The moment I press mod and minus, the buffer came in front of me. Now if I go here and enter text whatever you like, this is a text message to show the Vim pop-up buffer to take notes. Quick time. Okay, so likewise, this is a very efficient way of taking notes. Sometimes you need to take quick note of something important. Okay, now you can save this with :w like normal Vim command, because it's a Vim buffer, right? Or if you want to save it and dismiss this buffer window, so you can press :wq. Generally you don't quit because you might take more notes in near future, so you push it back to where it belongs, that is in Scratchpad. For that you just press alt minus, it will go away. Okay, now if you go to some other place and if you said, oh okay, I need to take some note again, okay, so just press mod minus, bring up the then you take some other note also. Okay, for instance, if you want to dismiss it altogether, just go here and WQ, bang. If you do again mod minus, it won't bring up because that buffer has been killed. Okay, so this is a very efficient and convenient way to take quick note wherever you are in the system, without much headache. With a simple keystroke you can get this pop-up buffer. Okay, in my other window I show how you can use that similar thing with Emacs pop-up buffer. This is for Vim pop buffer. Okay, for that I have bounded a key in my IT config similar to the one like Emacs has said. I just looking for an instance in a for window variable for Vim everywhere. Then I bounded that particular key to mod control and written. Mod in my case, or it could be anything to your machine. Then I call up the term because it requires terminal attention. So I bounded it with terminal. Okay, then I call Vim with a particular structure of the file name. So it will be easier for me later if I go back to particular directory, in my case it's notes, okay, to find out which note I took in which particular date. So I padded the file name with the date and time. So if I go back to the particular directory later time, I could easily retrieve and see the in which date and what time I took that particular notes. Okay, so this is a very efficient and quick way of taking notes. So I hope this will be helpful to someone. Thanks for watching.